Good day. My name is Mr. Clifford T. Mitchum and I am with Crew SWFL Solar. Now I'm reaching out to all of you today because I have a friend on Instagram. Her name is Kayti Newbury. Kayti Newbury is a new solar homeowner. However, the company that installed her solar, Sunrun, caused damage to her roof. Now, I'm asking that all of you help reach out to Sunrun to make sure that she's made whole. Now, I'm not reaching out to all of you because I feel Sunrun's a bad company. They do a lot of work and it does promote and help much solar. But when one company does something poorly, it affects all of us. When people tell me about a horror story that they had with solar, they don't remember the company's name, they just remember that something happened. So let's all get together, ask Sunrun to make Kayti whole, and that way we all can maintain that good business ethic. They're tagged in this video, so be sure to reach out to them so that way we know the situation's been taken care of. Now go forth and spread some sunshine.